The HP Color Laserjet errorcode 59F0 indicates a problem with the printer's internal motor. This error can be caused by several issues, including the intermediate transfer belt not fully rotating, problems with the state root 9 sensor, or a failed fuser drive assembly. To fix the error, start by examining the intermediate transfer belt. Power off the printer. Remove the top covers to access the belt, and inspect it for damage or obstructions such as paper scraps. If the belt is damaged, replace it with a new one. If it's obstructed, gently clean it with a soft brush. Also, ensure the rollers are properly connected and aligned to the belt. Next, inspect the state root 9 sensor by accessing the area, checking for obstructions, and cleaning the sensor to remove any dirt or dust that may be causing interference. Verify that the cable connections to the sensor are secure, and if the sensor appears damaged, replace it with a compatible one. Additionally, examine the fuser drive assembly by powering off the printer, removing the panels that cover it, and inspecting for damage. Replace any damaged components, and then power the device back on. If the printer is still not functioning after these steps, it's recommended to contact a professional for further guidance.